All right, so we unloading this. Is this that place y'all was doing the installation at? How you doing? You know Chris has been here. Yeah. So we're just gonna unload all this stuff and then get out of here. Yeah. I didn't want you to think that it would make so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And we had enough insulation. We actually just got double insulated on the ceiling, so. Cool. Well, we're just loading them up and we'll be out of here. Okay. Alright. And they'll be back probably tomorrow. I don't know. I didn't check in to see how today went for her, but I'll know this evening. Yeah. Just let me know. Sure. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow afternoon or so. Alright. Bye. You too. Damn. I was under mad pressure.
All right, we got 7 more to spray in here. These got first coated. Coming back doing the second coat on those. Show you how these looking afterwards. Additional 4 on the other side. The other 4 still have to be sprayed.